Welcome to day 10 of our learning series. 4 advanced words and an idiom for real-life conversations. Let's begin. Venture. A risky project, activity, or business that involves uncertainty. Synonyms: enterprise, undertaking, pursuit.
His latest business venture failed after just 1 year. This is a risky venture, but it looks promising. The company's latest venture was a complete success. Investing in this startup was a lucrative venture.
Clara left her safe banking job to launch her own small fashion venture. Everyone whispered she was making a huge mistake since her previous job had given her a steady income. Against all expectations, within a year, her designs became popular across the whole country, and everyone wanted a piece from her collection. What venture do you dream about? Write it in the comments. Devise. To invent or plan something, usually in a clever or complex way. Synonyms: plan, design, invent.
They devised a strategy to win the competition. The team devised an innovative app for travelers. We need to devise a long-term plan for growth. Scientists devised a new method for recycling plastic.
The marketing team was struggling to attract new customers. They held a brainstorming session to devise a more engaging campaign and designed a series of funny short videos for social media. The videos went viral, attracting a wave of new customers and boosting sales beyond expectations. Ubiquitous. Seeming to be everywhere at the same time. Synonyms: common, widespread, pervasive.
Fast food chains became ubiquitous in big cities. This car model is ubiquitous on the roads. Stress is truly ubiquitous in modern life. This song is ubiquitous, heard on every radio station.
On his first night in Las Vegas, David walked past casinos and hotels lit up with glowing neon. Neon lights were ubiquitous, flashing from every direction. It felt like the entire city was alive, buzzing with energy, and refusing to sleep, pulling him into its endless carnival of lights. Undeniably. Used to say that something is definitely true and cannot be denied. Synonyms: obviously, certainly, unquestionably.
This solution is undeniably the most practical one. The book is undeniably worth reading. His influence on modern art is undeniably significant. The film was undeniably a huge success.
Marek had always been a quiet and reserved person. However, his work on the new project was undeniably brilliant, with creative solutions no one else had even considered. The success not only earned him praise from the entire team, but also made his colleagues finally see the true extent of his talent. To be on cloud 9. To be extremely happy. Synonyms: to be over the moon, to be walking on air, to be thrilled.
I was on cloud 9 when I passed my final exam. The kids were on cloud 9 at the amusement park. She's been on cloud 9 since their wedding day. They were on cloud 9 after buying their house.
After months of training, Julia finally crossed the finish line of her first marathon. Exhausted but smiling, she realized she had achieved something she once thought impossible. She was truly on cloud nine, celebrating with her friends and family. Today we've learned venture, devise, ubiquitous, undeniably, to be on cloud nine. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.